everyone. So today is our day off and we decided to go to do the Moroccan bath. But before anything else, I just want to say thank you guys sa mga nag-like, nag-subscribe at nag-share ng videos natin. Thank you so much. And sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and click the notification button for more updated videos. So, ayun na nga guys, itatry ko ngayon sa 11 years ko or 12 years sa Middle East. Ngayon lang ako magta-try ng Moroccan bath. Since pandemic, nag-decide ako but then nagsara yung mga salon na may mga Moroccan bath. Kaya pagpunta ko dito, I asked my friend to find for us na yung magandang salon na pwedeng magbigay sa amin ng magandang service ng Moroccan bath. So today, tatry namin siya kaya si bare face ako ngayon. Poker face. Yung bare face kasi hindi ako naglagay ng kahit na ano para at least wala nang masyadong maraming hanash pagka nag-Moroccan bath. So, samahan nyo kami guys para makita nyo kung paano yung process ng Moroccan bath. And I hope we will like it para maulit-ulit. So, let's go! Ba't ka nagsasalita ate?
Hi guys! Welcome to Mirage Visual! Kailangan natin ng sanitation in every salon. Kaya dapat, pag pumunta kayo sa mga salon, kailangan hanapin niyo sila ng sanitation. Okay, welcome to our salon!
So guys, we're here now inside this Moroccan bathroom, and they put me for steam bath for like 15 minutes. And after that, Miss Mercy make for me my hair wash, and now she's scrubbing me, and I will show you how how many what do you call that one? Dirt, dead skin. Okay. So here's the dead skin. See guys, too much dead skin since how many years I didn't make this one. But Miss Mercy told me that even if you are doing it regularly, it will be the same. You will also have same like this. Yan, dead skin. You will see also dead skin even if you do it regularly, right, Miss Mercy? She is working for 3 years in Moroccan bath, and maybe after this Moroccan bath, I will feel like I'm very clean in all parts of my bodies. Yan. Ayan guys, oh. Kita nyo yung dead skin. Here's the other. Grabe. Pero I feel good. They have this like, what do you call that one? Is it loofah? They have this some loofah na maganda, medyo rough siya. That makes this dead skin come out, or maybe because we steam the soap. Okay. She put for me Moroccan soap while doing the steam bath, so that makes see this dead skin loosen up a little. Ayan, ang dami. Grabe, oy. But it's very nice. See, guys. You should try this once in a while. But Miss Mercy is saying to me that it is advisable to do it like once a month, or if regularly, you can do it like 2 months, one time per 2 months. Yan. So guys, we just finished our Moroccan bath and I feel like I'm so clean. And Miss Mercy is saying to me na you should do it like once a month or once per 2 months para maalis talaga yung dead skin sa katawan mo. And I haven't tried this before, and so far, first experience, it was very nice. You will feel so clean after mo magpa-scrub ng whole body. Meron silang special na ginagamit, yung loofah, na this is for Moroccan bath only. You can use it only for Moroccan bath but not everyday bath. And yung soap na binigay nila sa akin, I think yun talaga yung nakatulong ng pang-alis ng mga dead skin. So, yun. So, now see? Ang ganda ng balat ko. Pero hindi naman nila ginawa dito sa face. Dito sa katawan lang talaga. But, you will see the difference kapag ini-scrub ka na nila. And after ng scrub, you feel like, you know, your skin is so clean. And after nitong Moroccan bath, meron silang package na pwede ako magpa-facial, and also they will give me a whole body massage, and it's like for 350 dirhams lang siya. So sulit na, di ba? You know, sometimes we need to make this once in a while, pampering ourselves para lang maalis yung mga stress natin sa buhay araw-araw. So it's not bad, guys. So you should try this. I hope you have Moroccan bath in your country, and I suggest that you will try it once in a while. So let's go to massage. So here's their massage room. Yan. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, come. Yan. Nahiya siya. She's Vietnamese. Nahiya siyang pumunta dito sa akin. So, 1 hour niya ako i-massage, full massage. And it's part of what I paid for Moroccan bath. Let's do it. So, yun na nga guys, ang aking first Moroccan bath experience, and it is very nice, guys, kasi na-feel mo talaga na malinis ang iyong balat. Plus, meron pa silang package na massage, and 1 hour massage and facial. O, diba? Ganda ng balat. Ganda ng balat. Ang galing din ng pagkaka-facial nila sa akin. Inalis nila yung mga blackheads tsaka mga whiteheads. And first time ko din magpaalis ng blackheads and whiteheads. Masakit pala siya. Pero worth it naman kasi tingnan mo, parang lalo na sa ilong. Kasi dito talaga nag-accumulate yung dumi na hindi natin natatanggal through scrubbing or yung facial cleanser. So, maganda din guys na once in a while ipamper natin yung sarili natin, and hindi naman masama yun. Kumbaga parang consolation na yun sa sarili natin because we are working hard every day. So, ayun na nga. And so, thank you guys sa pagsama niyo sa amin. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope kahit papano na bigyan ko kayo ng idea when it comes to Moroccan bath. And for sure, ulitin natin to bago tayo bumalik sa Doha. So, thank you guys. God bless. And see you all again sa next video ko.